Welcome to Savory Thoughts, where we cook with intentions, culture, and bold Haitian flavors.
Today, I'm showing you how to make this recipe. It's layered, balanced, and full of depth.
Let's get started.
Have you ever had a meal that's so simple, yet somehow feels incredibly comforting? That's exactly what Omo Tuo is. At first glance, it looks like plain rice, but it's much more than that. The texture is soft, smooth, and almost pillow-like. It's one of those foods that reminds you that simple ingredients can create something truly special. And honestly, it's surprisingly easy to make. All you need is jasmine rice, water, and a little salt. That's it. The secret isn't in a long list of ingredients. It's in taking your time and letting the rice cook until it reaches the perfect consistency. Tonight, I'm actually recording this voiceover while the house is asleep. It's one of my favorite times to work. Everything is quiet, no distractions, just the sound of the keyboard and thinking all the recipes that I can't wait to share with you. There's something peaceful about ending the day this way. If you've never made Omo Tuo before, don't let its beautiful presentation fool you. It's much easier than it looks. And once you make it for the first time, it's basically cooking the rice to the perfect texture. And once you make it for the first time, you'll realize why it's loved by so many Ghanaian families. I love serving this Ghanaian rice ball with palm nut soup, which we have on the site at savorythoughts.com. And guys, while you're at it, I would love for you to just take a brief moment and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and also allows our videos to be discovered. So sometimes the simplest recipes become the ones we come back to again and again. And to be honest with you, in our Haitian cuisine, we don't have something like this. But I must say it is something that we have adapted into our recipes, and it pairs perfectly with legume. You don't need anything to be complicated. Omo Tuo just needs to be made with care. I hope this inspires you to give it a try and let me know exactly how you pair it. Until next time, thank you for spending a little time with me here in the kitchen. Cheers. It's pretty, babe.